I'll tell you what, this Fanttik E1 Max is amazing, man. Holy cow. I mean, look at these little tiny screws. I mean, look at this. Look at that, how small it is. That's a back of a kind of a remote control for a camera. But look how small that is, right? You throw it in there like that, right? Take it back out. You got a light there and everything, right? Take it out. And it's even got a magnet on it, so it pulls it out too, right? Take it out, put it in there. And then if you want, you can take this out like this. And you can actually pick that up. Like, look at that. It doesn't come off. Put it inside there like that. You can start it. And then you can switch this over. And off you go. Man, that's an amazing little tool. And you get a ton of options. There was, I think, I tried this. There was 4 or 5 different little Phillips screwdrivers that wouldn't fit in here. And boom, found the one. And off I went. Yep. That's a nice precision tool. Hey, it's Fuzzy back here again. Hey guys, I only make good content for good products. You know, I try and show you what I need to show you to get a sense of how it works, the quality of it, and you know, make sure you subscribe and like and notifications and all that good stuff. And I don't mind if you do that, right? So it helps out the channel, and we get better stuff coming in, and we'll go from there. So we'll see you in the next video, and take care.